Race number 8, replay atid po sa atin ng Santana Park, Saksum.
Patok. Oh, way they go. Janelle's episode. Jams for the LLA Devil in Disguise in second by Darrell carryover sneaking in Mahogany. Moving up is a pay to see. Together with Grace Dancer in the middle speed bullet. Big Bang is also there. And so was Ninjutsu. And running by the we have entry number 2. That's Kasiyahan. Third last Gypsy Grey. Then followed over by Super Deluxe. And Super Elegant is racing in 13, doing 19 and a half on the first quarter as they will down the back. Janelle's episode showing the way by 2, dictating terms. Devil in Disguise in second, pay to see. Now moving up on the outside to take second. And in fourth is a race, a dancer. Mahogany is down in fifth. Speed Bullet is racing in sixth with 25 on the second quarter. Inside the last 600, Janelle's episode by about length. Pay to see still in second. Race the dancer now getting closer in third. Devil in Disguise traps back and forth and in peep Mahogany. Then comes Speed Bullet. Then followed over by Kasiyahan. Ninjutsu doing 24 and a half on the third quarter. 3:50 to travel. Janelle's episode refuses to surrender. Race a dancer now in second. In between horses is a pay to see. Janelle's episode, race a dancer, pay to see. And finally, it's going to be a close finish between Race a Dancer, Janelle's episode, while pay to see took third. And in fourth, we have Devil in Disguise, Mahogany, and Gypsy Grey for your Super 6.
So close finish tie for first place between 12 or rather 14 and 7.
Isang bagsak na slow mo din, Derek.
Oo. Pero TNP na natin yung isa mamaya. Yung race 6. So mo tayo.
Ayan.
Ayan.
This point, 7 pa rin ang una. Lakas na remate ng 14, saka ng 12.
Pagtsagaan.
Pagtsagaan.
Pero close finish. Oh. Alright. At habang hinihintay natin yung official result,
yan.
magbatian muna.